Wondering how to get more views on YouTube? Don't worry, you're not alone. Every minute, 500 hours of video are uploaded to YouTube. That's a lot of competition. So how do you stand out and get more views? Here's a comprehensive guide to help you do just that. Responding to viewer comments is a great way to build a community around your channel. When viewers see that you're actively engaging with them, they're more likely to stick around, watch more videos, and even recommend your channel to others. Creating video playlists helps to better organize your content, making it easier for viewers to navigate through your videos. It also keeps viewers on your channel longer, as one video naturally leads to the next. Designing attention-grabbing thumbnails is crucial. Your video's thumbnail is like a mini movie poster. It's the first thing viewers see when they come across your video. Make it eye-catching and relevant to get those clicks. Using SEO strategies is important. This means using relevant keywords in your video titles, descriptions, and tags. It helps YouTube's algorithm understand what your video is about and show it to the right audience. Collaborating with other YouTubers can help you reach new audiences who might not have found your channel otherwise. Plus, it's a great way to create unique content. Promoting your videos on other platforms is essential. Don't limit yourself to YouTube. Share your videos on social media, your blog, or even in emails to reach a wider audience. Consistently uploading content is key. The more regularly you post, the more likely viewers are to subscribe and keep coming back. Analyzing your YouTube analytics is crucial. This will give you insights into what's working and what's not. Use this information to tweak your strategy and create content that your viewers love. Hosting giveaways and contests can drive a lot of engagement and even attract new viewers to your channel. Plus, who doesn't love winning free stuff? Creating high-quality, unique content is essential. The best way to get more views on YouTube is to provide value to your viewers. Make your content informative, entertaining, or both. To sum up, getting more views on YouTube involves building a community, organizing your content, designing great thumbnails, using SEO, collaborating with others, promoting your videos, uploading consistently, analyzing your performance, hosting contests, and creating valuable content. Implement these strategies and you'll be well on your way to YouTube success. Good luck,